In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android phone keeps lagging or freezing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, persistent lagging on Android is usually caused by the new AI background processing features introduced in updates or a saturated system partition. So the first thing you want to do is disable RAM Plus or virtual RAM. What you want to do is go over to your settings application and then search for RAM Plus or memory extension. So what I can do is press that little search icon and then firstly, I want to type in RAM Plus, and I see it right there in device care. Go ahead and click on RAM Plus right there. Then just go ahead and click on it. It's going to be checking all your data and everything. And as you can see, I have RAM Plus right now, and currently it is turned on. Toggle it off and set it to the lowest possible value, which in my instance is 2 gigabytes. And it says to change the amount of internal storage used as virtual memory, your phone needs to restart. So once you restart your phone, go ahead and restart it, and then it should be like, you should notice a massive jump in responsiveness. So there's one thing that you could do. And what you could do is also speed up system animations. So what you want to do is go over and go to developer options, which is going to be right at the bottom of your settings. Once you go ahead and find it, click on it, then scroll down to the drawing section. And once you go ahead and go to that drawing section, you want to change window animation scale. And then you want to change that and transition animation scale and animator duration scale all to 0.5x, which is going to like basically move everything at like 150% with the speed of what you were doing before. So like, let's say I go to window animation scale, change it to 0.5x, which is one above. So let's just go to that. Then transition animation scale, and then also animator duration scale. If I change all of these to 0.5x, everything is going to be a lot quicker. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.